This time I will demonstrate to you on how to end a stitch, because you cannot do a backstitch to end the stitches on this mini sewing machine. So we're just going to stitch this fabric as an example. Once you finish stitching, pull the thread longer to prevent the thread from falling out. Loosen the tension screwer a bit, like this, so you can easily pull the thread. So here's the fabric that we just sewed. This is the front and this is the back part. To end the stitch, pull one of the thread until it looks like this. And you can make a knot with your hands, and then go ahead and do the same thing with the other edge of the fabric. And cut off the excess thread.